In this video, I am going to show you the best ways to get free gems in Clash of Clans. Gems in Clash of Clans are the premium currency used for a variety of in-game purposes. As a new user of the game, you'll be able to get free gems on the platform. And a method for you to earn free gems on the platform is by selling your magic items. So in this section, you'll be able to find all of the potions that you have on Clash of Clans. If you find a potion unnecessary for you, you can simply sell that and receive gems in exchange. Selling unused potion will allow you to get free gems on the platform. Another way to earn free gems on the platform is to use gem mines. So gem mines generate gems over time, so make sure to keep them active. Gem mines can only be found on the builder's village. You can only create it once you have upgraded your town hall to level 9. Another way to earn more free gems is to sell resources. And the last method to earn free gems on Clash of Clans is by visiting the Supercell ID website on your device. So just go ahead and sign in to your account on Supercell ID. Just go ahead and enter your email and enter the OTP sent to your email into this section to be able to sign in to your Supercell account. Watch out for events in this website, since there are events that will allow you to earn free gems that will immediately get credited to your Clash of Clans account. And those are the best ways to earn free gems on Clash of Clans.